Hi, I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals. So what I do is every year I have my vegetable garden and I load it with chili pepper plants. A man can only eat so many chili peppers during the season. So at the end of the year, I've got all of these plants just loaded with chili peppers. And I'm not the kind of a guy who likes to waste something, so I kind of thought about it a spell and decided that I'd throw them in a big old pot and cook them down for 5 days over a wood burning fire. And I came up with this wonderful, amazing chili oil, which I have named Thomas J's Famous Chili Oil. Now every year it's different in composition. And that's because sometimes there's more black chili peppers than there are red chili peppers. More of one variety of chili pepper than another variety of chili pepper. So there's always a little bit different. Well, what do you do with Thomas J's Famous Chili Oil? You've got to give it a vintage name for each of those different years. One of the years we had Wicked Wicked Monkey. Another year was Snapping Turtle. This year, I hope you've seen the movie, we named it Slingblade. You know that guy that says, "I like to have it on my taters." Well, this is a very fine product, and it is not delicious on eggs, Mexican food, Asian food, taters, French fries. It is not delicious on so many different foods you can't imagine. So what I like to do is you can also use it as a lubricant on your chainsaw chain. Mighty fine. It gives your chainsaw a rich flavor and a good, sharp, lubricated cut. What are you going to do with Thomas J's Famous Chili Oil? Not available at the counter at Waterwise Botanicals. Come and get it.